Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pards, ano, another year has gone and another blessings, ang dami-daming blessings have gone through your life. Pards, happy birthday. And sabi mo nga dun sa birthday ko, it's another year of challenges, it's another year of excitement. And I just want to assure you that yung friendship natin is always there. Kami nila Edsel and Dave, kahit nandito man kami, we're always there for you. And may you enjoy your blessings now that I know masaya ka with where you are right now. I'm always proud with the decisions that na ginawa mo, pare. And may mag-greet sa'yo, Bards. Baby, come. Alright. Yeah. Happy birthday, pare. So, God bless and many more birthday to come. Alright.